Hey everyone, this video will have almost no practical application at all, but it sure is a bunch of fun. I'm going to show you how to play with rainbows. I'm going to start, I want to say that I'm making this video in Photoshop, but I've checked everything I'm doing here also works in Elements. Start by making a new document. I'm going to make it plenty big. Always, with this kind of thing, work bigger than you think you'll end up needing it. Alright, a plain white document. I will go down here and add a gradient layer. By default it's black to white, but that's boring. There are lots more exciting gradients in here, and you can play with all of these. Today I'm just going to talk about actual rainbows, so I'll choose that one, and I might make the stripes vertical by giving it 0 degrees there. This kind of play is complicated a bit by masks and things, so I'm going to simplify this layer. I'm going to trash the background layer, add a new blank layer, and then shift select both layers and then Control E to merge them into just one simple pixel rainbow layer. Okay, let's play. The playing happens in Filter, Distort. Now I haven't tried all of these, hardly any in fact, but so I'll just show you Shear here because that's what I was messing around with before. So I'm going to go to Shear, and then I can well, do whatever really, move that across there, maybe swing the whole lot back that way, and just that one there a teensy bit, whatever, just randomizing it. I like the wraparound. You can also choose repeat edge if you just want the edge colors to keep going. Okay to that. Now, for more fun, filter again, distort, and polar coordinates. I'll just have to zoom out a bit here. Now, polar coordinates just kind of randomizes it. If you choose rectangular to polar, it gives that circular sort of swirl effect. The other way gives it this random thing. That's cool, right? So I'll choose that one, go OK. For a little bit more coolness, you can add a hue saturation layer. Now watch what happens when I move the hue slider. Whoa! Are you tripping yet? That's awesome. Okay, so now you've got that cool, whatever, funny rainbow, and you can use that as a overlay on one of your photos. I'll talk about that in a minute. For now, I'll just save that. Desktop is fine. Rainbow Madness 1. Okay, and I'll close that. I want to show you another thing. This is for Kim because she asked about it. Again, I'll use a big document. I'm going to grab my marquee tool and just select a thin rectangle down the bottom, and then choose gradient again, and then this time I'll use not the solid gradient but the transparent gradient that blends out at each end, and it's only filling that rectangular area at the bottom that I chose. Happy with that, go OK, OK to that. Again, I want to simplify this, so I'll trash the background layer, add a new blank layer, shift select both, Control E. Are you ready for this, Kim? Filter, distort, polar coordinates, zoom out a bit, and bam! There's your circular rainbow, mate. OK to that, and there it is. Pretty cool, right? I'll save that one as well. Rainbow Madness 2. Okay, so you can see that the possibilities are endless. You can explore other colors, and you can explore other options in this distort. I figure that we've got twirl that we haven't played with yet. That does that, and so on. There's some great fun stuff in there. Okay, now let's talk quickly about how you might use it. A lot of you will be familiar with using overlays on your photos already, but let's say I can just where did that go? Rainbow Madness number 2, and I'm going to place that on there, and I might put it around my dad's headstone like so, like that. and then maybe blur it a bit, maybe not that well. It's up to you, right? You can do anything you like so. You can change blend modes, opacities, and so forth, and of course add a mask if what you want. So hey, it's all good fun, right? I hope you've enjoyed this little video. Cheers.